Kenya, a land of breathtaking landscapes and diverse ecosystems, is facing a silent invader that threatens its delicate balance. Today, we explore the invasive Opuntia Cactus, a seemingly harmless plant that has turned into an ecological menace, causing widespread destruction, ecological imbalance, and displacing communities.
Over the years, with climate change raging, this cactus became a problem. In the year around 2006, that is when we started seeing this plant now starting, devastating livelihoods. These plants are bringing a lot of ecological competition, destroying biodiversity. You see now when we have the cactus everywhere, it suffocates other indigenous vegetation like grass, trees. They all compete for nutrients and water. So this is how this plant brought a lot of disaster.
The consequences extend beyond the natural world. As the Opuntia cactus spreads, it encroaches on agricultural land and displaces communities that depend on the land for their livelihoods.
Mtu alikuwa karibu na mbuzi 100. Sasa hivi ukienda kwake kwa karibu na mbuzi 20, sababu hii matunda inakula mpaka inamaliza mdomo. Na hata inapoteza macho. Na hata ng'ombe iko namna hiyo. Sasa hivi kupita pale ukute ng'ombe inatoa tu ulimi hivi sababu ya kula hii matunda. Lakini mbele na tukoona kama inaweza kuwa na shida. Lakini sasa hivi tumeona iko na shida. Tukoona afadhali mahali tutaweza tuiondoe ardhi yetu ilirudi vile ilikuwa.
The spines that come from the fruits of the Opuntia stricta are very strong. And being very strong, they look like steel wool. So at the end of the day, you will find out that these spines collect slowly by slowly into the digestive system. When the animal becomes weak, the ecosystem eliminates the animal. Survival for the fittest. These plants have characteristics that will enable them outweigh other plants. One is what we say that it is a seeder, or it produces very many seeds. And these seeds, most of them, or 99% of them, are viable. And you will find out that their fertility rate is very high. So when people introduced these into live fences so that they could secure their farms, they could secure their homes, as we continue is that there are very many other factors of seed dispersal, and therefore these seeds have been eaten by animals, they have been dispersed elsewhere. And now with the condition that I was saying about the climate change, this plant has started now coming up in all places, all parts, eliminating other plants, because whenever it is, it produces a chemical that brings about allelopathy. Allelopathy is a condition that inhibits any other seed from germinating. It will inhibit any other plant from germinating except itself. One of the mitigation measures that I would like to put in place is that can we look for a grass species that can grow into the areas that we don't have Opuntia stricta, and start from there. Establishment of grasslands. This is now producing another grass species that is able to grow in the era of climate change. The other thing is that we continue reducing the numbers by either mechanically removing or maybe using the biological control.
If we bring all those measures, I think the cactus will not match our efforts, and it will be eradicated. According to research, Opuntia produces more biogas than cow dung. One, because the content of biomass in the Opuntia, it's very rich. So I'm producing biogas with an end product being women not going to cut firewood to destroy the already fragile environment, since now they will be having cooking energy at home. The waste product from the system, you've seen, can be turned into organic fertilizer which now can facilitate us come up with small kitchen gardens in this pastoral area.